This year, we hosted our first Farm Girls overnight retreat, and it was such an incredible experience. The ladies arrived eager to dive into farm life, spending the night and really soaking it all in. They woke up early to milk the animals, feed all the babies, and take care of the livestock.
There it goes. Now it deflates.
At mealtime, they gathered around the table, a lot of the time making their own food, enjoying these delicious dishes that primarily came from things we produced on the farm. It was a special time for them to just be themselves, away from all the outside pressures. This retreat gave them a chance to discover a little bit more about their inner strength, surrounded by the comforts of snuggling up with animals and simply just being in the farm atmosphere. In a world where we often feel overwhelmed, stepping back to these basics can really boost our confidence. Sure, farm life isn't always easy, but it's filled with achievable tasks that remind us of how good it feels to care for something beyond ourselves. They saw how their hard work truly made a difference. As we move forward in our busy life, I hope we don't forget the importance of experiences just like this that help shape who we are. This retreat, to me, was more than just a few days away. It was really a celebration of resilience and friendship and the amazing strength that each of these young women has inside of themselves. It all came about through a little farm on an island in Alaska. But it can happen anywhere, just by giving kids the opportunity to do something a little bit different and outside what is now the norm.